We found a place out here in Park Slope, Brooklyn to have Sunday brunch. First place we went to was Rosewater. Food was very good. Their menu was a prefixed. For a small fee extra, you can substitute your libation. Rosewater is located at 787 Union Street at 6th Avenue in Park Slope, Brooklyn. Reservations are recommended for dinner. They have indoor and outdoor seating. It's a very small place, but the food is very good.
Birds chirping away.
We found another place here in Park Slope, Brooklyn called Scottadito, Astoria Toscana. My God, this was the best Sunday brunch place ever. We fell in love with this place. Champagne is unlimited and they just pour. The breakfast was fantastic. The waiters and waitresses were excellent. It was a fun place to eat and the food was excellent. The dessert was fantastic. I highly recommend Scottadito Toscana, Astoria Toscana. They're located at 788A Union Street in Brooklyn, New York. And that's in Park Slope, Brooklyn. Walking down the street in Park Slope, we came across Squad Company 1's New York City's Fire Department Memorial. The Squad 1 lost 12 members when the World Trade Center towers collapsed in the September 11th attacks. Another restaurant that you truly don't want to miss out on in Park Slope, Brooklyn is called Miriams Restaurant. Their cuisine is uniquely, distinctly Israeli, and their menu is seasonal, and many of their ingredients come straight from Israel. The food was fantastic. Israeli and a mix of Mediterranean. We really enjoyed our meal. The appetizers were wonderful. The whole experience was fantastic. I highly recommend Miriams, and they are located at 79 5th Avenue in Park Slope, Brooklyn, New York. And since I'm doing places to eat in Park Slope, I'm going to mention again Convivium Osteria. This place was fantastic. We loved the food and the service. Everything was just perfect. You're definitely going to want to make reservations for this little gem of a restaurant. All of the little restaurants in Park Slope, they're tiny little eateries. And there's so many places to eat. It's just fantastic. Again, this one was a gem. It was opened in 2000. It's a neighborhood restaurant hidden behind antique-filled windows of an old storefront. The inspiration was to bring the great community of Park Slope a truly authentic old-world Italian osteria, whose cuisine and wines reflect their love of Mother Italy's hospitality and gastronomic traditions. The branzino was very good, the rabbit was excellent, and the risotto was very good also. The desserts were fantastic. Convivium Asteria is one of the most romantic and authentic restaurants in New York. Convivium combines a rustic and yet elegant countryside charm, where their patrons feel like they're transported to Italy. I'd like to give a quick shout out to Frank's Pizza and Restaurant. I wish I took more pictures. The food was fantastic. The pizzas are gigantic. If you get a small one, it'll feed probably 4 people. In this video, we only touched a few of the restaurants here in Park Slope, Brooklyn. Just to let you know, it's a foodie's paradise. There's little eateries and restaurants all over the place that are waiting to be found. Park Slope, Brooklyn is a foodie's paradise. Definitely worth exploring. You've been road trekking with Row and Low. Thank you for watching my small segment on Park Slope, Brooklyn. Please do subscribe.